In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet with a code. This is a fantastic way to set up a meeting with colleagues, friends, or family where you can all connect virtually no matter where you are. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Meet. If you haven't done so before, simply open your web browser and type in Google Meet or click the link provided. Once you're on the Google Meet landing page, you'll see several options. The one we're interested in today is creating a new meeting. You'll find the New Meeting button prominently displayed on the page. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you've clicked New Meeting, you'll be presented with several options. For our purposes today, we'll be selecting Create a Meeting for Later. This option will generate a unique code for you which you can then share with others, allowing them to join the meeting at a later time. It's perfect for scheduling meetings in advance or when you're planning a session but aren't quite ready to start immediately. Once you've chosen Create a Meeting for Later, Google Meet will provide you with a unique link. You'll see an option to Copy Link. Click on this and the link will be saved to your clipboard. This is an important step because this link is what you'll be sharing with your anticipated meeting guests. Now comes the easy part, sharing the link. You can do this in several different ways, depending on what's most convenient for you and your invitees. You could send the link via email, include it in a calendar invitation, share it over a messaging app, or even text it to them. Basically, any way you communicate with others electronically can work as a medium to share your meeting link. It's as simple as that. You've now successfully created a Google Meet with a specific meeting code. The people you share the link with will just need to click on that link at the scheduled time to join the meeting. It's a straightforward process that offers tremendous flexibility, making it easier than ever to connect and collaborate with anyone, anywhere. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go through these steps a couple of times to familiarize yourself with them. And there you have it. You're all set to host your next virtual meetup. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow.